Lightning split the night. Kai snatched the key, and the valley held its breath. Rain hammered the gorge. Every step was a razor wager with the sky.
A blue wisp lunged for the light hat. Kai dove after fate itself.
The bridge screamed. He swung on a thread of courage and cut the dark.
The key trembled in his palm, the hose. The carved door waited like coiled thunder. The key trembled in his palm. The carved door waited like coiled thunder. Silence fell like dawn. The valley breathed again, and Kai ran home braver.
Want more? Subscribe to Veilum and hit the bell. More wild stories are coming.